This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for October 20th, 2016. Corn market today down 6 to 6.5 cents. Soybeans down 5 3/4 to 6 cents. Wheat market steady to down 3. In the grain markets today, we had very good export sales, 1 million metric tons in the corn, 2 million metric tons in the beans, which was 1 million metric tons greater than the low end of expectations. But at the end of the day, the market was expecting that. We are a futures market. As we look ahead, sales haven't been quite as great as they have the last couple of weeks so far in the private sales category. And I think that's why, to some degree, we faltered a little bit today as we look ahead here. Kind of almost a buy the rumor, sell the fact. We're also into very stiff resistance. This 360 level is very stiff resistance for corn. If we can get above it, 373 sets up as your next, and I think we're going to have big problems there. So, you know, we're within 10 to 13 cents of the highs with where we were trading overnight as a higher board. And in beans, same token, $9.80 to $10, the two numbers here that we feel are very stiff resistance. So, a little weaker tone around the markets today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. A lot of chop is what we see here as we work ahead. On the feeder cattle market today, up $2.72.5 to $4. Live cattle up $2.80 to $3. And the hog market down 7.5 to up 20. So really kind of a mixed trade there in the hogs, but a very good day for cattle. I think a little bit of short covering here as we work towards that cattle on feed report. On feed forecasted at 101.3, placements 103.6, marketing's at 106.2. So we'll get that report tomorrow at 2, and we'll update then and see what we've got. Hog market treading water. I think we've at least found a baseline support, but we're going to continue to struggle to really get up and get going here in the hogs with the big numbers we've got around right now. Really need to see the retail come down in price to see increased demand, and we're just not seeing that. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.